Hello and welcome back to the video. Today we're looking at this is a cheap webcam I got at some point. I've got a new webcam replacement. I thought, well, non-destructively possible, we'll try to open it up. I think it's just under here, so you can see this little plastic piece on the front. There's no screws anywhere, so clearly that sort of just clips in or is sort of attached there. Try to get this under, and it is going in the little gap there. It's glued on, so I'm just going to try to slice through all of that glue. Oh, it's rooting a bit of the plastic, it's sort of shaving it off. There we go. Ooh, that's going under. There we go, got some glue on there. See a little hole. So it's actually printed white on the back of where the text is on the front. So actually, I think the way it works is the text is actually transparent. So you've got the black part, which is black, and then it's transparent, and on this white patch is printed behind it to make the text show up as white instead of transparent. That doesn't even cover the lens. So there's two screw holes there. Yeah, that's definitely too small of a screwdriver. Let's go and get a bigger screwdriver. Here we are. Not a very good screwdriver, but it does fit. So we'll open this up. It's a very, very thin screwdriver. It's impossible to actually hold. That's the closest one I had. There we go. Both of those screws are out now. Is that also clipped in? I think it is. It's also got the cable there. Oh yeah, we can just push that out. And here is the PCB. So there's a little crimped piece of metal on there, which I suppose is just to stop the cable from being pulled out through the hole in the assembly there. It's on the back of the housing. And there's two screws on this little PCB here. There's a couple chips. Seems quite basic, but we can try taking these little screws out as well. Hopefully this smaller screwdriver is fit now. There we go. There's one screw, and there'll be the second one here, and then we can look on the other side, although it's probably just the actual camera on the other side, I'd imagine. Oh, there's more screws, two more screws, one here, two also screw holes there, but those aren't populated with any screws. And the screwdriver isn't very good. Screws aren't even coming out. It's not very well in there. It's sort of coming out now. It's pushing out a bit harder. And this is also currently plugged in still, but you can feel some heat on there. The last one is just this screw over on this side. I'll just push down and we'll go like that, and just like that you can see I was out of focus. Let's focus that. You can see that's come out as well. Got the lens on here. There's the actual sensor for the webcam that sits on top. It's pretty basic. So I guess those two screws you didn't even have to take out. Those two screws in the middle just hold this onto the actual board there. You don't need to do the one in the corner to actually take it off the front of the housing. But yeah, that's the actual camera sensor there. There's actually a few components on this side as well. So I wonder, well, this is just USB connection there. And again, it's got some pads on there, so ground. I don't know what actual USB ones are, but so I could probably get maybe even one of those little USB-C little adapters I've had, and just connect it there. And that way I can use this as a mini sort of portable sensor. Obviously connects the actual lens that can be used. A little mini webcam, that could be an interesting little project just to try. Not much use, just as itself. Show that there is the microphone. Very little portable thing, could be interesting to do. Obviously this whole thing isn't much use to me, but maybe if I made this a smaller version I could use this one. Maybe I could even attach a new lens or add an additional lens. I could use it for maybe macro photography, or make a mini portable microscope or something like that. Say a little USB powered one. But I'll leave this video here. If you like the video, don't like the video, comment down below your thoughts, and your views, and subscribe. So I'm seeing videos like this in the future.